If you need a volumetric meshed version of hair for real-time apps, creating stylized characters, or even making 3D prints, Ornatrix for Maya has you covered. Let's go over how we can easily generate a grouped hair mesh. Open a scene containing some pre-clumped hair. Select the clump operator and, in sub-clumping section, turn on the Set Clump Strand Groups option. This will set the hair's strand groups based on which clump they belong to. Add a Mesh from Strands operator. In Mesh from Strands options, check the Group Strands option. Set the mesh type to cylindrical and side count to 10. Our hair is now converted to a volumetric mesh approximation of the strands. Each unique strand group creates its own hair mesh clump. This process is entirely procedural. You can continue editing the hair below in the stack and see the modified mesh in real time. Note that hair thickness is taken into account when generating the meshes. You can adjust it in the Change Width operator to make the mesh volumes thicker. If you want to see both the original hair and the meshed version at the same time, you can branch it using Ornatrix Easy Branching options. Right-click on the clump operator and select Create Branch. A new shape is selected, referencing the original hair. You can move it aside to see both versions of the hair. Now let's remove the clump operator to see how we can create the grouped meshes manually. Since all hair belongs to the same base group now, it will be all meshed as one big volume. In Mesh from Strands operator, change the strand group filter value to between 1 and 99 to exclude the base 0 group. No mesh is generated now. Add an Edit Guides operator before Mesh from Strands. We will use it to manually assign strand groups. In Edit Guides operator, select some strands, turn on Strand Groups option, and use the Auto Group button to assign a unique strand group to the selection. Note how we now have a mesh generated for this selection. You can repeat this process to create custom group meshes. Now it's time to try this in your project. Please subscribe or join our Discord channel for updates and more tutorials.